Embedding materials into a Moodle book activity. Embedding documents directly into a Moodle book activity allows students to access learning materials seamlessly without having to download multiple files or navigate away from the course content. This creates a more streamlined and accessible learning experience, particularly for online and mobile users. Unlike videos, which can often be embedded using a simple media link, documents and presentations typically require a different embedding method to ensure they display correctly within the Moodle book interface. How to embed a PDF document so it appears in a book. To begin, upload your PDF or presentation to the Supplementary and Enrichment Resources folder within the content block where you would like it to appear. Make sure that the Force Download of Files option in your folder settings is unselected. Then, click on the desired PDF you wish to embed. Then copy the URL of the PDF. Then, go to your desired content book chapter and locate the Edit button. Make sure you are in edit mode when doing this. Once on this page, switch to HTML view. This is done by clicking on the View or Tools settings and selecting the source code option. Then paste the text as shown. This line of code will be provided to you as materials for your course creation duties in the Lecturer Toolkit. Then replace paste underscore your underscore PDF underscore link underscore here with the URL of your PDF document. Save it and review it on the course page. Now you have successfully embedded a document or presentation.